Let's speak about the economic phenomenon which caused distress to the economy of the Netherlands after the massive discovery of natural gases deposits in the country. It is called Dutch disease. Dutch disease is the negative impact of the large increase in country's currency value on the economy. This is the negative impact of the overvaluation of the currency on the economy. This is as I said, is a negative consequences of overvaluation. This is originally associated with the massive natural resources discovery in the Netherlands in 1959. It is called Dutch disease as the natural resources discovery led to overvaluation of the currency. It has caused so many distress to the economy. This is called Dutch disease. Let's look. The term Dutch disease was coined by the Economist magazine in 1977. They were citing the economic crisis in the Netherlands emerged out of massive discovery of natural gas deposits in the country in 1959 in North Sea. It rose paradoxically the value of Dutch guilder, then currency of the Netherlands. It has made the export of the Netherlands dearer, costlier. That means export sector were in trouble. So manufacturing sector, which depends heavily on export sector, were put in trouble. It rose unemployment rate from 1.1% to massive 5.1%. Let's look briefly the steps involved in explaining the Dutch disease. Initially, the new resources were found, natural resources were found, massive natural resources were found in the Netherlands. So due to that impact, paradoxically, the currency value of the Netherlands, then currency of the Netherlands, Dutch guilder, increased significantly. This is the overvaluation of the Netherlands Dutch currency. Then it has made the export less competitive than before, as export has become dearer or costlier after the currency value of the Netherlands has increased significantly. Import has become cheaper, import increased, export reduced. Then the manufacturing sector, which heavily depends on export, were put in trouble. This is the distress. That is the negative consequences on the economy due to the natural resources discovery massively in the country. Here you might be thinking of how does the massive discovery of natural resources in a country lead to overvaluation or increase in country's currency value. As I said, this is a paradox. The natural resources discovery in the Netherlands in 1959, which were cited by the Economist magazine in 1977, it led to the increase in currency value of then Dutch currency, Dutch guilder, paradoxically. So that is a possibility that could happen in countries, in certain countries after the massive natural resources discovery. This is in fact open to research. You can make research on this area, whether natural resources discovery, significant natural resources discovery in a country, whether it lead to it causes for the increase in currency value and fall in export. So let's look briefly the effects of the Dutch disease. This is an economic phenomenon which talk about the currency value of Dutch currency after the massive discovery of the natural gas deposits in the country. The overvaluation of the currency has reduced the export and increased the import. Exports were reduced as export has become less competitive as it is dearer than before. Import has increased as import has become cheaper after the currency value of the domestic currency, Dutch currency, increased. It affected the manufacturing sector. Unemployment rate soared from 1.1% to 5.1% as the impact of this currency overvaluation. Similarly, the employment opportunities in the Netherlands moved to lower cost country. Although this is a paradoxical phenomenon after the natural resources discovery, it is not a single example in the world. We have another example. It is happened in the Great Britain. In North Sea itself, new oil fields were found explored in North Sea by Great Britain in 1970 during oil price hike. So Britain became a net exporter of oil as oil fields were discovered. But after that, what happened to the export of the Great Britain? The pound value has soared. Pound value increased significantly. Exports have become uncompetitive in Great Britain. So Great Britain's export came down due to the increase in currency value of a pound sterling. The country fell into recession when British workers demanded higher wages. So this is another story of Dutch disease. You can also make studies on the topic. Thank you.